Y'all are not gonna believe what I did. Such an amateur move. So I walked all the way to gate 35 and, well, okay, wait a minute. First off, let me run it back. Let me act like I got some manners. Good morning. How y'all doing? So it's travel day. I'm at the airport. You see my chariot is back there. It's kind of, let me turn it around that way. There we go. Okay, so I'm at the airport. I got here like 4 hours early because I had all my stuff packed last night except for my chargers and jazz. And anyway, took the shuttle that left at 5:24. So I got here. I had to rearrange some things because originally my carry-on suitcase was over the limit. She wanted to weigh it, and so I had to make some arrangement or some adjustments and disconnect the two backpacks, and I just put stuff in there and they checked the backpack. Thankfully they did it for me for free. So anyway, so I got situated, went to the store, did some other stuff, got some breakfast, walked all the way to gate 35. And let me tell you, when I say I walked all the way to gate 35, it was a haul. So I'm sitting there and I'm like, man, looking. She's like, So I go look at the screen. I don't see anything. My flight information. So I saw some ladies and I said, oh, no, no, no. I saw a worker, like a cleaning lady, and I said, hey, is there gate 35A? And she's like, no. And so I was looking up because they had a second level. I was like, maybe it's up there because in Bangkok, that's how the airports are. They have a gate at the top and a gate at the bottom. Y'all, why was I looking at my seat number? And I walked all the way to that gate. So my boarding pass on my phone, the app still said no gate. So I was like, man, I didn't even look at my ticket, my actual ticketed boarding pass. I only was looking at the app and it said to be arranged. So then one of the worker looked, she's like, oh yeah, it's gate 16. So I was like, oh my goodness. So I had to get from gate 35 to gate 16. And then when I got to this one point, like it gave you a sample, or not a sample, but it's called a time planner. And so it showed you on the screen like the amount of time that it should take to get to these particular gates. So mine said 20 minutes. I mean, luckily I had time because it's only 8:35 right now and my flight starts boarding at 8:40. But goodness gracious, this is one of those times where you definitely need to be early because stuff happens, man, and that's why I changed hotels and got a hotel right by the airport. Because imagine if I had to get up at like 4 o'clock and then commute from the city out here, and just too much. So I just was like, girl, what was on your mind? I don't know. I'm going to blame it on perimenopause this time. I'm just going to blame it on, you know, I'm blaming it on the peri. That's all I can say. Because I went to sleep, I think, at a decent amount of time, like 11:15. And I woke up like 5 something. So, I mean, I got like 6 hours of sleep. But y'all, that just tickled me. And I was thinking to myself, now, I'm supposed to be trying to plan trips for folks and da 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 da. Like, and I can't even get to the right gate. I'm using my seat number, but hey, I'm human. Stuff happens. Thankfully, because I did plan accordingly, no worries. I went to the bathroom, filled up my water bottle, put my I got some purchases here at the airport in my suitcase. I'm gonna figure out how to travel light. That's gonna be my next thing. I'm gonna figure it out. I already know I'm not bringing the 35 millimeter camera because I don't even take good pictures with it. And that's a whole bunch of space that could be freed up. That camera is in the bag that went underneath the plane. I took the battery out. Yeah, I'm gonna figure it out, y'all. I am going to figure it out. Oh boy. So far, the seat next to me is open. Let's pray that it stays like that. Because a whole row to myself. I mean, there are only two seats in this configuration, but goodness gracious, I could do that. Ooh, 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 ooh. Mm. Yeah, Heathrow Airport is rather big. Ooh, it's still showing open, y'all. Look at that. That's me. That's me to green. Yep. Oh yeah, they done all the other ones. Yeah, come on, stay open, Rose, stay open. Ooh. I mean, this flight should be really easy. It's only 7 hours. I mean, I've done 14, so. Oh man, yo, I feel like when I get home, I'm gonna need to chill. The crazy thing is that I have to go straight to my shot appointment tomorrow because tomorrow is exactly 6 weeks since I got my last shot. And then I think tomorrow is the day that I get my hair retied. Yes, it is at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So, yeah, whew, I'll tell you, y'all. Oh, well, it was a wonderful trip. I have so much to share with y'all. I met a couple of um, young women last night, and they were a delight. I'll share the video, some of the video with you. Alexia and Bella, and then Bella's dad, James, picked them up. So I chatted with him for a moment. But they had really interesting opinions about America. And most of them, I'm going to say I subscribe to. They were opinions, but also factual. And I totally endorse it. Now, I am going to, warn you, they like to cuss. Well, one of them in particular. So she dropped a few F-bombs. But you know what? I'm not about to correct anybody because I'm not playing mama. Girl, be you, be you. But they were so wise beyond their years. That's what really impressed me, and so knowledgeable about the world, not just England. So stay tuned for that video. But it was a great time. I mean, homegirls bought me some drinks, and then I ended up eating at the restaurant. It was an island restaurant called Turtle Bay. I had some jerk chicken, rice and peas, and pickled cucumber. It was so good. I ate it and then asked for a takeaway container because that's what they say. They don't say to go, they say takeaway. Oh, it's time to go. Here I am. Hopefully the seat stays open. We're boarding. But dang, the kids are like right across from me. I hope they go to sleep. We need an adult-only airline. Okay, y'all. So the next time I talk to you, I am going to be on American soil. And this is where that global entry that I have comes into handy. I've not flown into Boston Airport for a minute, so we will see. I'm gonna check this app one more time. Oh yeah, it's still showing. Ooh. Y'all pray for me. Pray that don't nobody come over here trying to bother me and sit next to me. Because, ooh, look, I can lift this seat, this armrest up, and I can make it do what it do. So, I'm gonna alert y'all. I'll talk to y'all soon. Take care. Have a great day.